So if you're somebody who's really interested in delving deeper into your college and exploring new research opportunities, and you're really passionate about learning, you should definitely consider applying to the Judy Genshaft Honors College.
We're curious thinkers, critical thinkers, and that's what drives us. From the time I stepped foot on the USF, I felt welcomed. I felt like I belong here, not just in USF, but also in the Honors College.
USF is also a great research institution, so there's a lot of research opportunities. There's study abroads, there's smaller class sizes, and to get to know your faculty better. So my study abroad I got to do in the summer, where I went to the Bahamas, and it was a really great experience to do hands-on learning in my major because it was a marine biology focused study abroad. So I got to do field research, and it was a really impactful experience that changed my perspective on a lot of things.
As a Judy Genshaft Honors College student, I have benefited from not only receiving honors exclusive financial aid, but also forging invaluable relationships with my faculty mentors. We can get really specific and unique letters of recommendation, and we are also able to receive help and assistance after class that we wouldn't be able to get anywhere else.